If you've been trying to add Epic friends and keep getting blocked by a pin prompt, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove the pin requirement in Epic games so you can add friends without running into that restriction every time. This is a quick and simple fix, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Epic Games in your browser. You can do this from any desktop browser, and once the page loads, sign into the account where you want to change the parental control settings. After you're logged in, look for your profile menu in the top area of the page and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From there, click Account. This is where Epic Games keeps your account settings, including security and parental controls. Once you're on the account page, look for Parental Controls and click that option. If you've never used these settings before, this is where Epic lets you manage restrictions for social features, purchases, and other account behavior. Next, you'll be asked to type in your PIN code. Go ahead and enter the correct code to continue. This step is required so Epic can verify that you're allowed to change these controls. After you enter the PIN, you should see the parental control settings page. Now, look for the social permission section. This is the area that controls friend-related features and social access. Inside that section, find the option that says Require PIN to add Epic's friends. You'll want to toggle that setting off. Once it's disabled, Epic will no longer ask for a PIN every time you try to add friends. After turning it off, your settings should save automatically. At this point, you can go back and test it by trying to add an Epic friend again. If everything was done correctly, the PIN prompt should no longer appear for that action. And that's it. You've successfully removed the PIN requirement for adding Epic friends in Epic games. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now you can manage your social settings much more easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.